Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So we all have done exercise 18.2.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, everyone, we are going to learn about, in this class, we are going 18.2.
18.2.
Hmm. In this period, we are going to learn about different types of polygons. We already know some polygons, which are triangles. Good afternoon. So please, everyone, write down the heading polygons.
So what we are doing?
We are in this class, we are going to learn about different types of polygons.
So have we have to write in the notebook?
Yes, write down the heading polygons.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, all of you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Start your videos.
So what we do?
We are going to learn about polygons, different types of polygons in this class. We have already completed exercise 18.2. Yes.
Sir, please open the rename option. I want to change my name.
Given.
Sir, now we will start polygons.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta. This is a topic of the same chapter, triangles and quadrilaterals. There is a subheading polygons. The name of the chapter is the same. We are doing the same chapter, triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay. The next topic that we are doing is polygons in this. Okay. Now we are going to learn about different types of polygons. Everyone, please pay attention. Look at the board. Don't draw anything. Don't write anything in your copy. Just look at the board. Yes.
Sir, this is a new chapter.
Beta, this is only a subtopic of, this is only a topic of the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. We are doing the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. In this chapter,
Yes,
there is a topic which is named as polygons. So I will be explaining what are polygons, what types of polygons are there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Polygons are simple closed figures made up of line segments. Yesterday I also told you the definition of polygons. Polygons are, what are polygons? Simple closed figures made up of line segments. Okay, write down the definition of polygons in your copy, everyone. I'm writing it on the board. Before studying the types of polygons, let us write down the definition. Polygons are simple closed figures made made up of line segments. Okay, so this is a polygon. This is the definition of polygon. Now types of polygons. I will explain what are types of polygons, different types of polygons. So just look at the board. Keep your cameras on and look at the board. You don't have to write anything in your copy. Just look at the board. Okay. Types of polygons. Just look at the board. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Don't draw anything. First is triangles. Triangle is a type of polygon. Why is it a type of polygon? Because a triangle is made up of, is a closed figure first of all, and it is made up of line segments. Triangle is a closed.
Person, can I rejoin?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Ooh.
So triangle is a closed figure.
But I can't. Everyone's. Excuse me, sir. Sir, we have to write this in notebook.
You have to, beta abhi nahi likhna hai. You just look at the board. Try to understand what I am explaining. Okay. What? So triangle is a polygon. Why is it a polygon? Because it is made up of line segments and it is a closed figure. So polygons are this only. These are simple closed figures. Look at the definition of polygons again. These are simple closed figures made up of line segments. So that is why we call them as polygons. Therefore, triangle is also a polygon. Second one is a quadrilateral. So this is also a type of polygon, quadrilateral. In fact, all types of quadrilaterals are also polygons. Quadrilaterals are of many types. We have studied, we made a chart of types of quadrilaterals 2 or 3 days ago, 1 or 2 days ago, in which we wrote what is a rhombus, what is a square, what is a rectangle, trapezium, all these things we wrote in the copy. So these were all the
Yes, sir.
types
Sir,
of
we have make
quadrilaterals.
a table.
Yes. Third one is a pentagon. So pentagon has 5 sides. This is also a type of polygon.
Yes, sir, because it is joining from line segment.
Yes. Fourth one is a hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Please draw it in your copy. All of you start drawing these shapes in your copy. Now you can start drawing.
Sir,
Then
please
there is
scroll up.
just a minute. Then there is a septagon. Septagon has 7 sides. You can count the number of sides in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. This is a septagon.
Sir, we have to write from the polygon or sir from the types of polygons.
You have to write in the way.
write types of.
Write it in the way that I have written. Okay. This I am drawing this. What is this shape? This is an octagon. Okay. It is an octagon. It has 8 sides. 1, 2, 8 vertices. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So 8 vertices, 8 sides. Septagon has 7 vertices, 7 sides. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hexagon has 6 vertices and 6 sides. A, B, C, D, E, F. Pentagon 5 vertices and 5 sides. A, B, C, D, E. Now you can draw all these shapes, all of you. I hope you all have written the definition of polygons.
Sir, I am writing. And I am also writing.
You are writing the definition of polygons, or you are
Yes, sir.
drawing the shape types of polygons?
Sir, I am writing the definition.
Definition.
Sir, where it is given the definition?
Here is the definition.
Okay, sir.
Write down the
Sir, please
definition of
show.
polygons and draw all the figures also. Types of polygons, draw them in your copy. Draw these shapes with the help of a pencil and a scale. Don't draw it with a pen. Draw it using a pencil and a scale.
Sir, we have to draw this in fair copy or rough copy.
Fair copy. Draw these shapes in your fair copies. After writing the definition and drawing the shapes, you will post this work in your group. Okay. Take a picture and post it in the group after completing. Have you all done your work? Those who have done, they can post their work.
have done, but sir, in the sixth one, you have not written the name.
It is an octagon, beta. Let me write it.
And sir, we can draw from book also.
Yes, anyway. It is an octagon. Okay.
So what's the fifth one? Sir, done. I have sent it also.
Very good, beta. I'm checking. Everyone, please post your work. I will be checking it. Quickly post it.
Sir, send it.
In class 5A, Adeshika, Navira, and beta, one more student has sent the work. You have not written the name and not drawn the figures with the help of a pencil and scale. You have not used, and you have not written the name also. I don't know who is this student. Class 5A. You have not written your name and not done the work properly.
Sir, he is Tanmay.
Yes, sir, he is Tanmay. Sir, Arnav Singh.
Okay. Others from 5A, please post your work. In 5B, only Garv has posted. That means others are doing, still doing. All of you, okay. Time is up, everyone. You all have already taken a lot of time. Okay. Is there anyone who is still doing? Now open exercise 18.3, everyone. So let me one more thing I want to tell you. See, suppose there is a pentagon. I want to tell you about properties of everyone. Why are you all not responding? Are you all still doing your work?
Sir, I have done and posted also.
Others, first of all, please start your video.
Sir, I have network issue.
Sir, I have also changed.
Everyone, look at the board now. So let's study about a pentagon. We already know about a triangle and a quadrilateral. Let's see what is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. I will be explaining some properties of a pentagon here. A pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Let's name the pentagon as ABCD, ABCDE. Okay. Now, pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. How many angles? 5 angles. The number of angles and number of sides are always equal for any polygon.
Always 5 in the pentagon.
Now, whenever you join all the diagonals from any one vertex, suppose let's take vertex A. Let's take vertex A. This is a very important concept. First time you all are learning this. Please pay attention. Let's consider one vertex A. If I start drawing the diagonals from vertex A, I can make a diagonal by joining A and C. I can make another diagonal by joining A and D. Can we make any other diagonal from the same
No,
vertex?
sir.
No.
We cannot make the diagonal.
So diagonals in a pentagon, diagonals from same vertex, from the same vertex. How many diagonals we can draw from the same vertex? Equal
Sir,
to 2 diagonals we can draw from the same vertex. Now you count the number of triangles. In how many triangles we have divided the figure?
Sir, 3.
Yes. Count the number of triangles in which we have divided the figure. 3 triangles. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So 3 triangles are formed. Okay. And if we want to find out the sum of all angles of a pentagon, what we can do now? Count the number of triangles. There is a very easy method. Just count the number of triangles. And then if you want to find the angle sum property of pentagon, do you know what is the angle sum property of triangle? The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180, and the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now sum of all angles of a pentagon of this figure, sum of all angles is equal to, count the number of triangles first, 3, and then multiply by 180. You will get the sum of all angles. This will give you 540 degrees. So this is the sum of all angles of a pentagon. Okay. Understood, everyone? These 3 things very
Yes, sir.
important. Number of diagonals from the same vertex, 2. Number of triangles in which we have divided the figure, 3 triangles. And then sum of all angles we can find out by multiplying the number of triangles by 180. So 3 into 180, it gives us 540. That means the sum of all angles of a pentagon is equals to 540 degrees. Okay. Now, similarly, we can do the same thing for hexagon also, for septagon also, for octagon also. So to make it easier, we can divide this work in a table. That table is given on page number 147. You have to draw the same table in the exercise 18.3 also. So start doing exercise 18.3 in your book.
Sir, we have to do this in book or notebook?
Book. Complete the table in your book 18.3, exercise 18.3. Start completing the table. The table is giving the same details which I have given here, but it is giving all the details for all the polygons that we have studied till decagon. Okay. Exercise 18.3. Start completing the exercise in your book.
Okay, sir.
All of you. Complete it. We will discuss it once you all are done with it.
मत करो ना.
Keep your mics off. Yes, have you all completed the table now?
Yes.
completed?
Sir, doing.